Here's the Apple Watch SE3. I'm going to show you how to change the watch faces or clock faces. So the first thing is just go ahead and open up your Apple Watch app right there. Now from here, if you tap on My Watch, we can see that we have the default one right here, okay? But let's add another clock face here, okay? So I'm going to tap on Face Gallery here. And then once you click on that, you can go ahead and scroll through all of these new watch faces, health and fitness, photo ones, clean, data rich, and so on. Or you can go all the way to the bottom and just select see all watch faces, and then we can go ahead and choose from one from here. So let's just say I'm going to go with the utility one here. I'll tap on that right there. You get like a little description, and then you can change a couple, some things. It depends on what watch face you have that you can change things, okay? So look, you got a style that we can change here. You got some complications. Some of them have more complications. Some of them have less. Like this one here, like let's see, top left here as activity rings. If I wanted to change that to like, I don't know, battery percentage, then you get a battery percentage right there, okay? Anyway, if I wanted to save it just like this, I would just simply tap on add, okay? So I'm gonna tap on add right there. And now I added it. Now it's basically on my favorites. So if I tap on My Watch right here, and you can see it loaded the watch as well, but I have it right here. So I can switch between these. If I want this one back on there, I can just tap on that. Of course, I can edit it and whatnot, but if I want to set it as my current watch face, I'll tap on that and voila, we're in business. Let's go and add one more clock face on here. I'm gonna go back to Free Gallery, see all watch faces, and then I'm gonna go with, the Activity Digital. I'm gonna go with that one right there. Description, we can add it in 1 second, but again, you get some different colors you can add on here. You got different complications on here as well. Usually I put like steps in one of these. And so I'm gonna add this the way it is. I'm gonna tap on add right there and voila, okay? So now if I tap on My Watch here, I got these three on here, so I can switch between any of these. Now I can also switch between these on the watch itself because I already saved these. So what I could do is just go to your watch face and then press and hold. And then from here, we can edit some things here. You can see here some minor things, or just go back to the clock face and I can just press and hold. And now I can switch to my other clock face from my watch, okay? You have to go left though, don't go right. Okay, so I can click another one. Like let's just say I want the default one. I'll tap that and voila, we're back in business. Pretty simple.